I stumbled across this strategy by accident. Someone mentioned they were making over $23,000 a month from Pinterest. No.
I tried posting on Pinterest to see how much money I can make for free. You see, this extremely attractive and very muscular YouTuber says you can make up to $2,500 a week posting on Pinterest. Which one would cost you more money? Starting a organic Pinterest account that costed you $0 to run, or spending money on Pinterest ads? Well, in this video, we are gonna find out. I have a organic Pinterest account that has over 1.2 million monthly views that cost me $0 to run, and we're gonna put that up against a new business I will start running with Pinterest ads.
No face, no storefront, not even their own website. At first I thought, okay, sure, that's probably one of those internet myths people love throwing around. But then I looked into it, turns out it's 100% real. There's this person quietly raking in 5 figures every single month by doing something almost no one's talking about. And honestly, it's kind of genius. They figured out a way to use Pinterest, not for recipes or DIY stuff, but as a traffic engine for affiliate links. And the best part, it runs in the background. Faceless, mostly automated, super low effort once it's all set up. So in this video, I'm walking you through their entire strategy, how they set it up, what tools they used, and exactly how it brings in that kind of money every month. It's one of the most low-key, high-reward systems I've seen in a while. Let's start with where they began, choosing the right niche. So the first smart move they made, picking a niche that actually works on Pinterest. Pinterest isn't like YouTube or Instagram. It has its own vibe. People go there for inspiration, how-tos, and solutions. So this person focused on niches that already thrive on the platform. We're talking home decor, DIY, recipes, fashion, beauty, personal finance, those kinds of topics. They picked a niche they actually enjoyed learning about, which is important. If you hate the content you're making, you'll burn out fast, even with passive income. Once they had their niche locked in, they went full detective mode on Pinterest. They searched for posts in that niche and started paying attention to what products were being promoted. Every time they clicked on a pin, they'd either land on a blog post or get taken straight to an affiliate offer. They literally opened up a fresh Google Doc and started collecting links. 30 to 50 different affiliate programs, all just from scrolling Pinterest. Section 2, how they built a blog without actually blogging. So here's where things got really interesting. You'd think making money with affiliate links on Pinterest would require a full-blown blog setup, writing tons of content by hand, learning WordPress, the whole thing. But nope. This person found a much easier route, and it works. They used a platform called Hostinger to set up their site. Why Hostinger? Because it's cheap, dead simple, and comes with built-in AI tools. No coding, no design headaches. Just pick a template, enter a few keywords about your niche, and let the AI build out your site in under 2 minutes. Once the site was live, they didn't waste time manually writing posts. They used Hostinger's built-in AI content creator to generate blog posts automatically. We're talking blog posts tailored to their niche, structured like helpful guides and packed with opportunities to insert affiliate links. And inserting links? Also easy. Every time a product got mentioned in the post, boom, in went to the affiliate link. So to recap, AI builds the blog, AI writes the posts. You drop in your affiliate links, and now you've got a passive content engine running 24/7. Section 3, driving traffic with Pinterest. Okay, so now they've got this faceless blog loaded with affiliate links. But none of that matters if no one sees it, right? Here's how they fixed that with Pinterest. They created a Pinterest business account, added a clean username to match their niche, and dropped the blog link right in the bio. No face, no personal branding, just niche, feminist, helpful content. From there, it was all about creating pins, but not just any pins, clickable ones. They looked at high-performing pins from other creators and just recreated the same kind of design and layout with their own twist. They posted 2-3 pins every single day. No fancy schedule, no deep SEO magic, just consistency. Section 4. monetization and scaling the system. So how does this faceless Pinterest strategy turn into $23,387.00 a month? Here's the breakdown. The blog brings in traffic through Pinterest. Each blog post has multiple affiliate links. When someone clicks and signs up or buys, they earn a commission. Simple, but here's where it gets smarter. They didn't just rely on affiliate sales. Their blog also runs display ads. That means they make money just from people visiting the site, even if no one buys anything. It's not huge per view, but it adds up, especially as the traffic grows. So while Pinterest drives people in, the blog monetizes every part of the visit. Over time, this person built up a backlog of blog posts using AI, remember? So they weren't constantly writing. They just made sure to keep Pinterest fresh with new pin designs. And because Pinterest content lives a lot longer than, say, a TikTok or Instagram post, older pins kept bringing in new traffic even months later. They also mentioned posting each blog post multiple times using different pin designs. That alone helped stretch their content way further without doing extra work. Eventually, this thing turned into a flywheel. More pins equals more blog views, equals more affiliate clicks, equals more commissions, plus ad revenue. And all of it could be done faceless from anywhere with no upfront audience. The takeaway? They didn't invent anything new. They just executed a simple system really well and stuck with it. And that's how they hit $23,387.00 a month passively, using nothing but Pinterest and a bit of creativity. If you found this video valuable, make sure you hit the like button. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these kinds of videos. Thanks for watching.